Hey, good morning. Listen, today my outfit of the day is from Fabletics. I love this color. It's brown. They do have it in blue too. I don't know if they have any more left. I do believe that they restock this stuff, so you can most definitely find some of these things more than once. But yes, this the holes on the side that you see going down the leg, they are also going down the middle of the back of the top as well. So y'all, I love this outfit. But let's work out. All right, so today I am nauseous. I somehow stopped feeling good after I got off the treadmill, and I didn't want to mess up my opportunity of being at the gym, so I was like, let me do a floor workout. And what better one to do than the chest one? It's not too strenuous as far as like, I mean, it really was, because I wasn't feeling good at all. I did 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps on this, but normally I do several different exercises, like 9 different exercises. I only did 3 different exercises this time, so I do 3 different sets of 3 different types of exercises, if that makes sense. It ends up being 9 altogether. So I do like 3 different forms of chest press, 3 different forms of shoulders, and 3 different forms of triceps with dumbbells only, but only did 1 set of each 3 times. So yeah, I wasn't feeling that great. It happens, guys, where you're not gonna be able to see a really long video this time, because I only went for a good 10 minutes when it comes to my weightlifting. As far as my treadmill though, I did go ahead and do the 35 minutes. I just moved slowly. I just walked slowly because, like I said, I just wasn't feeling good. I don't know, maybe I didn't eat enough, or maybe I don't know, but it happens, like I said. But I do hope you guys enjoy your day and try to get in at least 10 minutes of walking, even if you're walking super slow because you don't feel good. Try to move around a little bit. But yeah, and enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye-bye.